Hi, my name is Paul Craley, and I'm the Senior Project Manager at Capway Automation. Capway Automation is a leader in innovation and design engineering for the food and baking industries. On behalf of Capway, we'd like to welcome you to visit our booth number 2825, located in the West Hall at IBIE 2025. Capway Automation is a leader in conveying and design technology. Our horizontal slat diverter is designed with a precision track-style switching mechanism to eliminate slat jam-ups. Capway conveyors are designed using interlocks modular plastic belting that, when properly maintained, provide you with a long life expectancy. The Capway accumulation conveyor unit allows product to recycle back to the pack station for easy removal by the operators. Capway Automation depanners are an industry leader in vacuum depanning, with the Model 2000 depanner being the workhorse. This year, we'll be showcasing our Captilever model depanner along with other equipment at the IBIE show. The Captilever depanning system is a modular style system, and it provides great versatility for non-standard elevations of bakery designs. The modular design with remote vacuum blower system enables the bakery to locate the vacuum blower up to 40 linear feet from the depanning operation. The showcase depanner is also fitted with our optional Paxton regenerative blower system. It contains a HEPA filter, which eliminates the use of facility compressed air direct products. Capway Automation depanning systems have been a leader in excellence for the baking industry for over 30 years, and we're continuously improving our designs to meet our customers' demands. Please visit our booth number 2825, located in the West Hall at IBIE 2025. We look forward to seeing you there, and we can't wait.